Hi friends, today we are going to solve a problem in the algorithm part, minimum absolute difference in an array. So basically this problem would be solved by using a greedy approach. So it states that we have to find the absolute difference between two numbers in an array. So our array would be given, we have to find what is the minimum absolute difference possible. So whenever we're talking about an absolute number, the minimum absolute number possible is 0. So you have to basically find what is the the smallest difference between the two numbers. So to do it, first we will initialize our absolute difference with math.inf. It would be required, so we will initialize it. We're not initializing with any number. Basically, we have to find the minimum number. So that's why we are taking the largest number ever possible, so which is infinity. And if we find any value which is smaller than infinity, we'd be replacing this one with that number. So this is a basic approach. Then we would be sorting our array. Sorted. The reason we are doing is that if it's an sorted array, so basically all the numbers uh, would be present in a sorted order. So which would be enabling us, which would make sure that we have to iterate through the loop only once. So it would decrease our time complexity. For I in range 0, comma, len array -1. We're using a Python function called abs, which would give us the absolute number. If the difference is less than minimum absolute number, we'd be replacing the current minimum absolute number with the current difference. And if you're finding any number if you're finding any number with an value of 0, you'd basically return 0. The reason we are doing that is that if you already find any value containing 0, so the minimum absolute number possible in that array is 0. So once you are able to reach that, no point of iterating through the loop, no point of increasing the time complexity. So you basically return the smallest value. This is the basic idea. Return minimum absolute. Let's run the code. Let's submit the code. So now the question is that what if you have not sorted the array? So we would also try that one. So to find the differences, you have to use two for loops. Basic idea. The problem with this approach is that it would increase the time complexity of big O of n square, which would work in most cases, but in the greedy approach, you have to find also the lesser time complexity. So you have to take care of our time complexity. So this would give us runtime error, most probably. Yeah, so two test cases are not passing. It says that time limit exceeded. So that's the reason we are not using this approach, and we are sorting our array. As you could see, it passed all the test cases. Again, thanks for watching. Send me your feedbacks, anything that you want me to improve, any more guidance, any approach you're not able to understand. That would be of great help for me to improve the upcoming videos. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.